Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with my friend here on YouTube named Vanessalovesthemakeup. And for this collab, we decided to do our full face using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We did our eyes, our blush, our bronzer slash contour, our highlight, all using this palette. So if you want to see the look Vanessa created, it will be right here on the screen. And if you want to watch her video and check out her channel, you can click that link down below in the description box. You definitely should go check out her channel. She makes amazing videos and they're always really fun and colorful looks, like all the time. She's not like me who just sticks to like natural wearable. She goes out of the box. So if you want to see the look I created, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. I use my Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer just to, carve them out and shape them and whatever. And then I use this Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer just to kind of set them and just add a little extra volume. And then to prime my eyelids, I just use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. So for this collab, me and Vanessa are using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I have hit pan on a lot of the shades in this, so I think this collab is going to make me hit pan some more, which is okay. It's okay. So I don't know what I want to start out with. I think I'm going to go in with raw Sienna with my M433 brush and just pop this in the crease. Next up, I think I'm going to pick up a little bit of raw Sienna and Love Letter. I'm kind of just like drawn to that, and I'm just going to tap it off a little bit because I don't want it to be like super pigmented. Love Letter is still a little scary to me, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease as well. Next up, I'm going to go in with this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just going to pick up raw Sienna, Love Letter, and a little bit of red ochre, and just really focus this all in the crease. Next up, I'm just going to take this clean Sonia Kashuk blending brush just to really blend out the crease. On this ColourPop brush, I'm just going to pick up a raw Sienna just a little bit and just blend it closer to like the brow bone area because it just needs to be really diffused up there, I feel like. And then again, I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush just to blend it all out. Now moving on to the lid, I'm going to use this Bay Joy eyeshadow brush and this shade right here, which is Primavera. And like I said, I'm just going to pop this all over the lid. And next, taking this Ulta crease brush, I'm just going to take raw Sienna, a little bit of Love Letter, and a little bit of red ochre. And I'm just going to stamp this in the outer corner of my eye just so all of the shades can kind of just blend together like this. I love doing this because it just makes everything like flow together. So I just put on a little bit of my Urban Decay Primer Potion on my lower lash line so I can finish that up before I move on to my foundation. And I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk pencil brush and a little bit of raw sienna. I don't want the lower lash line to be like too heavy and like the red, because I don't want to make me look sick. So I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. And then in the waterline, I'm just going to add this NYX Wonder Pencil in light. Alright, my face is done. Let's move on to bronzer / contouring. So the only two brown shades are Warm Taupe and Cypress Umber, and Cypress Umber is scary. So I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk brush and I'm going to dip into a little bit of Warm Taupe and a little bit of Cypress Umber. Tap, and let's see how it goes. It's not so bad. I need more. I've had worse contour bronzer days. I will say that. It's not, you know, the best and it's not the worst, but it's working. The nose is where I'm nervous because it's my nose. It's definitely too dark on my nose, so I'm just taking my Eco Tool sponge that I use to do my foundation just to lighten it up a little bit. And then the next thing that I would do is blush. And I figured out that if you mix Buon Fresco and Love Letter together, it makes a really pretty, like, light pinky color. So I'm gonna try... Actually, I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of Buon Fresco as my blush, not mix in Love Letter. I've never done a purple blush before, because I don't own any. See, this always happens to me. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this little brown thing, like a dot, a blob. So again, I'm just gonna take my sponge and kind of just try to go over it. I don't know why that happens. And then for my highlight, I'm going to go in with Vermeer. I've actually been really wanting to use Vermeer as a highlight, so I'm actually really excited right now. Ooh, okay. So if anyone was ever wondering, Vermeer makes a really pretty highlight. I'm also going to add Vermeer to my brow bone as well, just with this Ulta eyeshadow brush, I think it is. There's no name, I'm pretty sure it's from Ulta. And then I'm just going to take this L'Oreal sponge, it's damp, and I'm just going to melt the highlight into my skin. I really want to go in with Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to line my lash line with this, my upper lash line, because I don't want to really add a wing, so I'm just going to kind of like flick this here. So when I do my mascara, my lashes will look more full. Okay, so I just did my mascara off camera. I used my Benefit Bad Gal Lash on the top lashes, and then the Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama on the bottom lashes and also on the top lashes, just to give them a little more oomph. And then for lips today, I'm just going to be using my favorite lip combo. First, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lip Lingerie in Lace Detail, and then I'm just going to put the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline on top. that is it for this video. Thank you so much, Vanessa, for collabing with me. I had a ton of fun doing this, and it made me get creative, and I really need to get creative more often. I don't get creative enough. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the description box to watch Vanessa's video and go subscribe to her channel. Like I said, she makes amazing videos. She always has really fun tutorials, so go subscribe to her. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future, leave those in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!